National Weather Service, station WXK35. Serving the Waco listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Robertson County and central Texas, west central Leon County and central Texas, southeastern Limestone County and central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Teague, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Thornton. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. If on or near Lake Limestone, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats. Now let's check on your